Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start exercise 3.1. So first question is find the radian measure to degree measure. The question is 25 degree. We have to convert this into radian. So we know that 180 degree equals to pi radian. Now 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. Then 25 degree equals to pi by 180 into 25. So this is the way to convert degree to radian. Now we'll calculate it. So we'll solve it. So we are getting here 5 pi by 36 radian. So this is the answer. Now question number 2 we'll discuss. Here also we have to find out degree into radian. So question is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. So first of all, we will convert this 30 minutes into degree and after that we'll proceed. So we know that 60 minutes equals to 1 degree. Then 30 minutes equals to 1 by 60 into 30. So finally we'll have here 1 by 2 degree. So we have to use it here. So the question is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. So we are converting into degree. So we can write it as minus, then 47 degree plus 30 minutes. And now it is minus of 47 degree plus 1 by 2. Now it is in degree. So finally we will have 47 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So we will have minus 95 degree by 2. Now we have whole value in degree. Now we'll convert into radian. Again we will use that 180 degree equals to pi radian. So 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. And then 95 by 2 degree equals to pi by 180 into 95 by 2 radian. So by using that 180 degree equals to pi radian, then 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian, then 95 by 2 degree equals to pi by 180 into 95 by 2 radian. Now we'll calculate it so that we can get the answer. So here this is minus 95 by 2, so minus 95 by 2, minus 95 by 2. So finally here we will get minus 19 pi by 72 radian. So this is our answer. I hope it is clear for you all. Now next question is question number 2. Find the degree measures to the radian measures. So here radian is given. We have to find out into degree. So we know that pi radian equals to 180 degree. Then 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree. Now 11 by 16 radian equals to 180 by pi into 11 by 16. So finally here we will have after calculating it, we can get here 45 by pi into 11 by 4 degree. Now here we have to apply value of pi and that value is pi equals to 22 by 7. So we will apply here 22 by 7. I have told you earlier, whenever we have to convert radian to degree, always we have to apply value of pi. So 45 by 22 by 7 into 11 by 4. So it will be 45 into 7 into 11 divisible by 22 into 4. Now we'll calculate it. After calculating, we are getting here 315 by 8 degree. Now we know that whenever in fraction we are getting, then we have to calculate it. Means we will convert this degree into minute, and after that again if we are getting into fraction form, then we will convert into seconds. So here I'm going to solve in rough. So here 315 is divisible by 8. So we will divide it. So here we will get 8 3s are 24. So here we will get 75, and then here 8 9 is 72. So finally we are getting here 3. So we can write it as 315 by 8 as 39 3 by 8. So this is in degree. So we'll write it as 39 degree plus 3 by 8 degree. And then we'll convert this fraction part again in terms of minutes. So I will write it as 315 by 8 degree. We have converted into 39 degree plus, this is rough work, 3 by 8 degree. Now we have to convert this fraction part into minutes. So we know that whenever we have to convert, we can multiply it by 60, because 60 minutes equals to 1 degree. So we'll write it like that, 39 degree plus 3 by 8 into 60. Now it will be in minutes. So 39 degree plus, so it will be here 45 by 2 minutes. Now again we will divide 45 divisible by 2. So here so we'll write here 2 45, then it will be 2 to the 4, and here 5, then 2 to the 4 again. So we are getting here, we can write 45 by 2 as 45 by 2 minutes as 22 1 by 2 minutes. So we'll write it as 39 degree plus minutes, 22 1 by 2 minutes. Now 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus, we can write again, we will convert this fraction part 1 by 2 into seconds. So we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. According to that, we will convert. So we'll multiply by 60. So it will be in seconds, 1 by 2 into 60. So we'll calculate it. After calculating, we are getting here 30 seconds. So finally 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus 30 seconds. So we can write it as 39 degree 22 minutes 30 seconds. So that is our final answer. Now we'll discuss question number 3 from 2 only. So question is, we have to convert, we have to find out degree measure to radian measure. So question is 5 pi by 3. So we know that pi radian equals to 180 degree. Then 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree. And then 5 pi by 3 radian equals to 180 by pi into 5 pi by 3. So finally here, after calculating, we are getting here 300 degree. This is our answer. Now we'll discuss question number 3. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Means in 1 minute, revolutions 360. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? 1 second, in 1 second, we have to find out radian measure. Okay, so we will start with this point, 360 revolutions. I have drawn here. Point is here A. Starting point is A, and after completing one revolution, again point is A. So here we will write one revolution. We know that one revolution equals to 2 pi radian. We keep it as equation 1. And in the question it is given, according to question, in 1 minute, number of revolutions are 360. It is given in the question. So we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we can write here 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. And in 60 seconds, number of revolutions will be 360. So in 1 second, number of revolutions will be 360 by 60. So we will get here 6 revolutions. So in 1 second, number of revolutions are 6. So from 1, we can use it. 1 revolution from equation 1. We have 1 revolution equals to 2 pi radian. So in 1 second, 6 revolutions equals to 2 pi into 6 radian. So this is the way to find out value. So answer will be here 2 pi radian in 1 second.